Our demand is legal. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India. I appeal my humble submission to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah ji to understand our pain, to realize our history, to recognize our people, so that we can live peacefully, we can live with peace and tranquility with Indian people. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India to understand our feeling, to accept our demand, to listen our cry. Therefore, my request to the people of country, my request that in Delhi people, the good leaders of our India people should realize, should understand what is the pain and agony of the indigenous people of Tripura. Bone bagai tini ang balai ke tong tok ka sing nagar sana tini sikla rok, tini buri rok, tini buma busa aku buku rok balai kost mabai ka gorong sai mano corona virus ni bagai onek ain kanun tongo jago andi kemang ma phone khai ka dilna officer rok ai biro phone khai bai ka dilo kemang ma ain kanun tongo kumaru rekhon tongo do bono tas bai di kir bono koi kha sung kono violent khaya. We are peace loving people, we are simple people, we are poor people. We come away from 5,000 away from Delhi. Boni bagai ago bono sanai sung jot tono bakha baksa khlai gai sung sak bai chak takho khamjang lai gai buchi lai gai sung tini 2 din khana mo tang chini khana te sung kaham ke khlai nai te jot phai malia kabang ma lengjak bai kha mai masa ya sumai mote khana te sung borok kabang khlai gai khana sung khlai lai nai okok sai na hai na jot tono no ani pipe laya ani hamjak ma sebani chuba ya farim ani ko kor paisnai doktor hambai klom mai ka